115 species in genus Costus. My fascination with the spiral gingers, an exploration of the Costus genus. As a botanist, my heart belongs to the vibrant and diverse world of plants. Among the many fascinating genera that capture my attention, Costus, commonly known as spiral gingers, holds a special place. These plants, with their striking spiral stems and vibrant inflorescences, are a testament to the beauty and ingenuity of nature. I'm eager to share my knowledge and enthusiasm for this captivating genus with you. A tropical tapestry, the distribution and diversity of Costus. Costus is a genus of herbaceous perennial plants belonging to the family Costaceae. These botanical wonders are native to tropical and subtropical regions across the globe, gracing the landscapes of Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Picture lush rainforests, humid jungles, and vibrant clearings. These are the natural habitats where Costus thrives. The diversity within this genus is truly remarkable. With over 100 recognized species, Costus offers an array of forms, colors, and sizes. From the towering Costus speciosus, reaching heights of over 10 feet, to the more compact Costus afer, there's a spiral ginger to suit every plant enthusiast fancy. A twist of nature, the unique morphology of Costus. What truly sets Costus apart is its unique morphology. Unlike the straight stems of most plants, Costus species exhibit a fascinating spiral growth pattern. This distinctive feature, arising from the asymmetrical growth of the stem, gives them their common name, spiral gingers. It's a botanical marvel that never ceases to amaze me. The leaves of Costus are equally captivating. Arranged in a spiral along the stem, they are typically large, oblong, and possess a deep green hue. The texture of the leaves can vary significantly between species, from smooth and glossy to velvety and textured. But perhaps the most striking feature of Costus is its inflorescence. These cone-shaped structures, often brightly colored, emerge from the tips of the stems, adding a touch of tropical flair to any setting. The individual flowers within the inflorescence are equally captivating, boasting intricate shapes and vibrant colors. A symphony of colors, the floral splendor of Costus. Costus offers a veritable feast for the eyes with its diverse array of floral colors. From the fiery reds and oranges of Costus woodsonii to the delicate pinks and whites of Costus speciosus, there's a hue to suit every taste. The vibrant colors of Costus flowers not only enhance their aesthetic appeal but also play a crucial role in attracting pollinators. A closer look, Costus species. With over 100 species, the world of Costus is vast and varied. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond beauty, the uses and importance of Costus. Costus is not just a feast for the eyes, it also offers a range of practical uses. In many cultures, various Costus species have been utilized for their medicinal properties. Traditional healers have employed these plants to treat a variety of ailments, from inflammation and pain to digestive issues and respiratory problems. Beyond their medicinal value, Costus species also play an important role in ecological systems. Their vibrant flowers attract a variety of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, contributing to the biodiversity of their habitats. A call for conservation, protecting our botanical heritage. Despite their beauty and importance, many Costus species are facing threats due to habitat loss and overexploitation. It's crucial that we recognize the value of these botanical treasures and take steps to protect them. Conservation efforts, such as habitat preservation and sustainable harvesting practices, are essential to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the splendor of Costus. As a botanist, I am committed to promoting the appreciation and conservation of Costus. These spiral gingers, with their unique morphology, vibrant colors, and ecological importance, are an integral part of our natural heritage. Let us work together to ensure their continued survival and celebrate the beauty and diversity that they bring to our world.